Hello everyone, welcome to channel Creative Innovation. Today's video is on Minion theme party decoration idea for your little one. Check the description box for materials and links. So let's start. We need yellow and blue A4 size sheet. Now start folding it. In the same way, fold blue sheet. Now fold it in half. Now stick them. Now stick the yellow and blue sheet. These Minion eyes easily available on Google in printable form. Cut it and stick it on yellow side. For this photo booth, we need a cardboard. This is easily available in any stationery, and some printable happy birthday and Minion. This is also easily available on Google in printable form. Now cut it. Now paint this photo booth with blue acrylic color as we are making a Minion theme. You can also use yellow color. Now I have cutted all these. Now place this how we want to stick. stick them. I have given all the links in the description box from where you can print these minions and eyes. Now for minion balloons, use these eyes. Using two-sided tape, stick these eyes on the balloon. Use two-sided tape and stick them on the wall. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.